Hello and welcome to your favorite show Beauty Parlor. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट नैना ब्लैक
And I'm Gulali Ki Afridi, your beautician.
आप देख रहे हैं बाईपास टीवी, पाकिस्तान का पहला शॉपिंग चैनल. गुलाली, आज हम आपके पास एक और सवाल लेकर आए हैं. इट्स क्वाइट सिमिलर टू हम जो पहले कर चुके हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हम एक नई लुक जानना चाहते हैं आपसे.
Right.
बट थोड़ी सी यंगर वर्जन में, like a girly glossy look.
Oh, I love that. It's my favorite. That's like my everyday look.
So
I think
can you teach us?
100%. Who's better than someone who does it every day?
Yeah.
So let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Okay, so Nana, when we talk about glossy, girly makeup, that involves a lot of pinks and pastel colors and lighter tones, especially. Bhale wo eyes pe ho, lips pe ho ya cheeks pe ho, we try to keep it as subtle and chilled out as possible because this is more like a clean girl look. So girly makeup is usually something very close to Korean look. मुझे बहुत soft and super soft कि मतलब no blacks used on eyes या no harsh colors on the face at all, and everything is so well blended and so well done and subtly done. But for all of that also it involves a good base, and a good base needs a good primer.
Yes.
So we have this really cool primer with us from Daifi. Oh, here we go. No, this is their liner. Where is the So we have this really cool HD primer by Daifi, and it's really nice. So guys, don't skip this step at any cost. अगर आप अपना मेकअप कर रहे हैं, make sure कि आप जो हैं अपना प्राइमर हमेशा लगाएं. And that is something which is so important. If you want that flawless base, then you need a primer in your vanity. It is so important for you guys. So this is our primer. This is by Daifi, and this is basically gonna minimize your pores. So this is what it looks like. Look at that, guys. So cool.
So it's gel based.
I believe so. It is gel based, and usually primers are gel based or cream based. But this one I believe is more towards like the gel formula, and it looks really pretty.
I even like the bottle. Yeah,
the bottle is super cool. You guys can see the feel is very luxurious, and it looks like a high-end brand with this quality of the primer and the quantity. Look at the quantity, by the way. This is in
like good for a year
bottle. Exactly. This is like a glass bottle, and it's so pretty. You can literally keep it in front of, on top of your dressing and just flex on it. So I'm just going to pump some of it out, and yes, it is gel form. You guys can see, very pretty. The texture seems really nice, and it's really cool. So I'm going to touch her skin and feel the need of primer wherever. जहाँ आपको pores नजर आए, thoroughly.
Or even dryness.
Because
right now I can see her skin is quite dehydrated.
It feels very dehydrated, but also not all primers work well on dehydrated skin.
Yeah, obviously.
But this has like a nice,
moisturizing
effect to it.
Hydrating
effect. इसमें थोड़ा illuminating effect आ रहा है. So definitely for the girls who have dry patches also, this will also cover up for those girls. I'm going to nicely just settle this into her skin so her pores are thoroughly covered,
minimized, and
covered. They have to be minimum. I mean, that's the whole
and plus if you're applying a primer, आपके जो foundation है या जो base है वो उसमें clog नहीं होता, आपका मेकअप स्टे भी करता है और उसकी लुक बहुत रिफाइंड.
Exactly. I feel like even if it's not minimizing your pores, it is at least giving a little shield, and it's at least protecting your skin from any further products that you will use, So great to use a primer, and always use a primer. This is our primer by Daifi.
let me tell this to our audience as well that this primer is by Daifi. You can see इसका QR code और इसका जो ID है ये आपकी screens के ऊपर फ्लैश हो रहा है और आपको इसको ऑर्डर करने के लिए बस बाईपास की ऐप को डाउनलोड करना है. डाउनलोड करके आप QR कोड को स्कैन करके या प्रोडक्ट ID के थ्रू इस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. Prices may vary from city to city, but otherwise आपको exactly ये same product आपके घर पे मिलेगा and the results you can see.
Okay, so now that we've done the primer,
Yeah, what's
our
next?
next step is definitely a great foundation. So for this look specifically, we like a good foundation which not only gives a good coverage, but is also lightweight.
Yeah.
So when we mention lightweight and good coverage, the foundation has to be banger. You know, it has to be bang on, great. So for that, I have this really cool foundation from Color Studio Professional. This is their nudist foundation. And this is what it looks like. It's a very high performing, you know, foundation. आप देख सकते हो इसकी packaging is also superb. It is
And it's
a
also
perfect,
good in quantity.
yeah, great in quantity. I like and it also has the airbrush flawless
Oh,
finish
nice.
to it. So if you guys like airbrush finish to your face, then this is the product for you. With full coverage and you know all of that.
Let's
This
see
should
how
be-
it feels on the skin.
Okay, yes. Let's see how it's going to feel on the skin. I'm going to get some out. Okay. This is like a fresh bottle, so it has.
You need to pump a little.
I hope I have
too.
unsealed it. Oh yeah, I didn't. Okay, I'll just take it out from here. Okay, guys, I barely took it on my fingertip. Barely any.
Very little quantity.
Yeah.
And
And I'm just going to.
oh, it has a lot of coverage.
It does. I don't have to like overgo or overdo
Yeah,
any
even
of
with the
that.
finger you just put, I
I'm
can see
good.
the coverage.
Yeah,
it
literally.
has.
I'm good to use and good to go with this. So we're gonna blend this out now. The primer has made the application also so smooth that
Very smooth. I can
so
see
ये
that.
भी करता है. अगर आपका प्राइमर अच्छा है तो वो आपकी एप्लीकेशन आपके स्किन को नहीं स्मूथ करेगा और टाइट करेगा, बल्कि आपकी जो फ्यूचर आपकी जो एप्लीकेशन है फॉर योर फाउंडेशन कंसीलर और व्हाटएवर इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू विद दैट एज वेल.
But don't you think कि एक अच्छे प्राइमर को ये करना चाहिए, क्योंकि if it's hydrating your skin और ड्राई पैचेस को वो खत्म करेगा तो obviously it's gonna smooth the
Definitely,
rest of the
but
makeup.
like I said, you know, most of the primers
they
don't do
it.
their job
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
So if you know or if you have found the right primer for yourself, stick to that.
Yeah.
You don't have to go around looking for more because this is it, I feel
But
like.
by the way, I believe कि if you found something, no matter कहाँ से क्या चीज़, अगर कोई चीज़ आपको सूट कर गई है ना, उसको बार-बार change
हाँ,
नहीं
मतलब I wouldn't go on to just the high-end products and the, you know, brands and just stick to that. No, I like to also go with local products. I also like
Yeah,
to
you
go
can
with
find something good in
drugstore products.
Yeah.
You know, I'm also I
Search well.
love exactly. Explore, find what's the right products for you, and once you find them, stick to them. You know.
So this foundation is by Color Studio. आपकी स्क्रीन्स पे इसका QR कोड और प्रोडक्ट ID फ्लैश हो रहा है. यू हैव टू डाउनलोड बाईपास की ऐप और इस QR कोड के थ्रू आप इसको स्कैन करके या फिर प्रोडक्ट ID के साथ इसको सर्च करके इस फाउंडेशन को ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. और आप जब इसको ऑर्डर करेंगे तो आपको एग्जैक्टली यही फाउंडेशन घर पे मिलेगी. प्राइसेस में वेरी फ्रॉम सिटी टू सिटी, बट सेम ऑथेंटिक चीज़ आपको घर पे मिल जाएगी. इससे ज़्यादा और क्या चाहिए हमें. जब तक गुल अच्छे से इनको फाउंडेशन लगा रही हैं, हम एक छोटी सी ब्रेक से वापस आते हैं. So welcome back and Gulali is done with the foundation और अब हम पूछने वाले हैं कि what is our next step.
So I'm just going to blend some of the foundation on her neck and her chest. Again, guys, don't skip this step. It is so important.
Yeah,
You can't have your...
दो अलग-अलग रंग
Yeah, we
दिखते
can't
हैं.
do that. Not at
It
all.
looks really bad.
I also use the same foundation under her eyes as a concealer. तो मैंने उसको डबल कवरेज देके as a concealer भी यूज कर दिया. मैंने कोई सेपरेटली कंसीलर नहीं उठाया. मैंने वही फाउंडेशन को एक बेसिक सी थिक लेयर देके उनके अंडर आई भी कवर कर लिया है. एंड ऑल्सो ऑन हर बॉडी. So now that we have, you know, done with our foundation, I want to put some color on her face, of course.
Blush.
Yes, we have a really cool blush by Ribia Beauty.
Oh my
and
God.
It's so cute. A, it's pink, and B, it's so cute and tiny. I
And
love
see?
it. The bottle is so pretty.
See, it's mine after the show.
Yeah, definitely taking it home with us. You can see the bottle, and the whole packaging is super
This is-
cute.
My God, I love it.
This is so adorable. I'm literally loving it. And ये
This
इनके
is like
dress के साथ
a doll Barbie kind of
yeah,
a
literally
product.
I feel like I love it, and the packaging is super adorable. It's a liquid blush. The best
Yeah.
part about it is it's a liquid blush, and liquid blushes are really booming in market right now, and they're super trending. So for any girl who wishes to, you know, own a liquid blush, this is for you.
Gul, I have another thing to tell to you
Sure.
and our audience
Sure.
कि ये जो है ना इसके अंदर 6 colors.
Oh
It's a
wow!
pack of 6.
Oh wow!
You can order.
This one really matches her outfit, by the way.
Yes,
This is
that's what I
literally
know.
her outfit.
But इसके 6 shades हैं and you can order any of them or you can order the whole pack. And to get this product is by
Ribia Beauty.
AM Traders. Okay, so this product is by AM Traders and if you want to buy any of the shades, आप की स्क्रीन के ऊपर एक QR कोड फ्लैश हो रहा है और एक ID भी. What you have to do is आप बाईपास की ऐप को डाउनलोड करें, QR कोड को स्कैन करके या प्रोडक्ट ID के थ्रू आप इस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च कर सकते हैं, ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आपको सेम ये प्रोडक्ट घर पे मिल सकती है. इसके 5 और शेड्स भी हैं. इट्स अ पैक ऑफ 6. यू कैन ऑर्डर एनी ऑफ दोज और यू कैन ऑर्डर द होल पैक. It's super blendable, super
It is
cute.
such a pretty blush.
And I
Honestly, if
really
you
love
don't take
it.
it, I will take it.
No, I am taking it. I am
this
taking
is
it.
such an amazing blush. Can you see how well it blended?
And this is
And it is literally giving the feels of a high-end
yeah.
liquid blush. I'm not even joking, guys. This is a great blush. आप देख सकते हो already that I've literally blended it in front of you guys. एक sheer सा एक sheen भी आ रही है, एक glow
Love it.
खुद ही, you know, automatically is probably built in the blush on or whatever, but it's also giving that little shine that we all need.
Yeah.
It is so pretty, and it's such a pretty pink. It's like
All
that
of their
tea
shades are
pink.
really nice. Actually.
Okay, nice.
All of their shades
nice.
are really nice.
This one in specific, I feel like is really complimenting her and is really going to complement the Asian skin tone.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. I am living for this tone, honestly.
And it's
stunning.
super smooth. आप लोगों ने देखा इसकी blending कितनी easy हुई है. Plus it's liquid blush, so you can use it as highlight, as eyeshadows or
As
even on
whatever
lips.
you like.
You
Yeah,
can use it on as a blush. So it's a great product to order.
No, I'm really enjoying it. I feel like it's super cool. It's
Yeah.
a great product, and
And it gives, especially this color gives her very, you know, that young girly look. जो we need to achieve in this
so
look.
this is what I'm like crazy about. I really love girly stuff. I love girly colors. I love girly makeup, and this fits perfect for anyone who likes that girly look. This is so cute and so compact. You can literally fit this in your bag. Pocket.
In your pocket even.
Literally in pocket. It is that pocket friendly also. Imagine.
But at the same time, इसके बहुत small quantity is, it's quite like, it's
you
really
can see
pigmented.
it's super pigmented.
So it's
and
like,
even वही वाली बात, even a little bit is gonna go a long way for you.
Yeah.
Literally.
so it's don't go towards its size.
बहुत प्यारा है.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm really loving this. It's such a pretty color, and I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed right now. So I want to also now, since we've put in the color, she's although glowing and she doesn't need it, but I want to put some more glow to it because we want to achieve that glowy, glossy look for today. Girly, glowy, glossy look. So for that, I have my super popular kit, Miss Rose ki hai ye. This is the nude highlighter and contour kit. I am not gonna contour her, but I will definitely use this for highlighting her face. So this I will use as a highlighter. It has 10 colors. इसमें 10 pans hai, which you can use. So whichever color suits you best. I'll show you which is my favorite color from this specific palette. This has to be my favorite color. It's such a nice champagne color. It's like a light. It barely has any golds in it. So I like that. थोड़ा सा silverish touch भी आता है इसके ऊपर. So I really enjoy that. I'm going to first go in with her eyes. I will apply this as eyeshadows. So,
on the ball of her eyes,
yeah,
it pops up.
100%. मैं इसको पहले sockets पे लगा रही हूँ, and from my fingertips only, and that's that. So pretty. And I'm just going to do the same routine on the left eye.
And good, I'm shocked by the pigments.
Yeah, it's literally so buttery and so pretty. It's super pigmented. And सिर्फ वो नहीं, बिल्कुल powdery नहीं है.
हाँ,
you know,
it's quite creamy.
Yeah, it's super soft and satin finished. I like it.
It is actually really
It's
creamy.
really good. It's really good. मैं इसका थोड़ा सा darker tone लेके, I'm going to just fill in the corners a little bit. और ये इनकी contour kit है, guys. This is not even an eyeshadow kit, you know.
This
so
is
you can
actually,
literally do that for yourself.
This is actually something I
like
can buy as well.
Yeah, you should. I have.
Because
this is one of my favorites.
Yeah, because you know it has, you know me, and it has contour, it has highlighters.
It has contour, it has highlighter.
So this
I'm
is
going to
something I can
lightly
buy.
contour her nose only because that's the only depth I want to give to her face.
We can actually use a little bit on her to give the definition on her cheeks.
Yeah, I will.
You know?
I am gonna do that. I will use this shade in specific for her and mix it with this, so it becomes a nicer tone as well, and it's not too gold and it's not too silvery. So I'm just gonna use some of it on the cheekbone, and I'll stick to that part of it only. And you can see एकदम से instant extra glow कितना आएगा.
Yeah.
Although the blusher did the job well,
still.
but we love that extra glow and it looks stunning on her. मैं थोड़ा सा इनके teardrop पे भी लगा लेंगे. It has such pretty colors. Like I could just play around with it all day and night. So pretty.
So let me tell this to our audience as well कि ये contour plus highlighter kit जो है आपको is by Miss Rose. You can see how compact it is. Super pigmented, super creamy. I love this kit. आपको इस किट का QR कोड और प्रोडक्ट आईडी आपकी स्क्रीन पे फ्लैश हो रहा है. आपको सिर्फ इतना करना है कि बाईपास की ऐप को डाउनलोड करना है. इस QR कोड के थ्रू आप इस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च कर सकते हैं स्कैन करके, या फिर प्रोडक्ट आईडी के थ्रू आप इसको सर्च करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आपको एग्जैक्ट ये चीज़ घर पे मिलेगी. और ये भी आई थिंक मैं लेके जाने वाली हूँ.
Sure, it's such a cool product. Honestly, it's a
आज हम
great
सब कुछ ले
palette.
जाएंगे. और जब तक गुल इस सबसे फ्री होती है, हम एक छोटी सी ब्रेक से वापस आते हैं और पूछते हैं कि आगे हम क्या करने वाले हैं. Welcome back to Beauty Parlor. और गुलाली हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
I just wanted to put a little definition to the eyes with a little bit of mascara.
Okay.
I love lashes, you know, so
Yeah.
can't miss that step. So here we've colored her lashes right now, and we've also blended all of that highlighter and all of it. हमने eye makeup भी finish कर लिया है. We're not doing a lot because it's a girly look. So now we're gonna go into something else for eyes. हमने eye makeup तो finish कर दिया, लेकिन there's something missing is the eyebrows. So
Yeah.
we need to color her brows for sure. They make a lot of difference. So I'll show you. मैंने lightly, this is, by the way, I'll introduce you to the pencil of my dreams. This is literally an amazing pencil by Sweet Face. This is a 2-in-1 lip and eye pencil. So you can either use this as a lip के लिए, you know, I'll show you guys. आप इसको as a lip pencil भी use कर सकते हो, आप इसको अपने eyebrows पे या as a eyeliner, brown liner भी लोगों को
Or even
पसंद है.
kajal.
Even kajal, yes.
If you want colored kajal, you can use it.
Yeah, definitely. I like to use this as a brow pencil. The color is great. That is why. You can see I've already colored a little bit of her left brow.
Wow.
And the difference it has made to this side of her
quite
portion.
Rich color.
Yeah, it is. It is. It's a great color. It's not too dark, not too light. This is the perfect brown shade that we need. कि ये काला भी नहीं है ना तो ये बहुत लाइट ब्राउन है. तो जिसके भी बाल काले अगर हैं भी या ब्राउन हैं, दिस विल वर्क जस्ट फाइन. सो आई शो यू गाइज हाउ टू फिल इन योर ब्राउज. सबसे पहले आप अपना सारा फाउंडेशन अपनी ब्राउज से हटा दें एंड देन सबसे ज़्यादा कलर आप अपने आर्च पे लगाओगे, आईब्रो के. मोर देन एनीवेयर, स्टार्टिंग में नहीं, आगे पीछे सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉपरली आपने जो डेफिनेशन देनी है, कलर ऐड करना है अपने पेंसिल से, इज़ ऑन द आर्च. उससे ही आपकी आईब्रो की शेप आएगी. भले आपके आईब्रोज बने हुए हों ना बने हुए हों, दैट्स फाइन. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू put an arch on her brow to get that definition and then lightly overfill नहीं करेंगे कुछ भी because we need a girly look. So हम बहुत light से strokes देके we're going to finish that look and just blend it out.
So this pencil, it's a eye pencil plus a lip pencil. You can use it as a kajal or as a eyeliner. But this all-in-one pencil is by Sweet Face. It's a beautiful product, very economical, very easy to use, very blendable, and even you can see how beautiful the color is. And this color specifically is good for any skin tone, any hair color, right? Good?
Yep, 100%. So once you've contoured your lip, uske baad then you will put in more color. So if you like big lips and enhanced lips, then this is the way you're going to do it. You will first overline your lips from a pencil. I love brown pencils. This is what you will use for you to overline. And you can also use this specific pencil to just give a little depth for your under eye. या काजल के form में जैसे नैना ने बोला. You can use that as well. So it's pretty cool like that. So this is our pencil now. And
what's next?
So I want to finish the eye look first and then proceed towards, you know, the
lips and all,
other parts of our face. So I will now I really want to put a liner. That is what most of the girly girls do. They put a very short, chota sa outer
wing eyeliner, yeah.
पूरा भी नहीं है ना,
yeah, it's just a corner.
outer V पे जो है ना एक पतली सी line आ जाती है and the look is wow boom, you know. So I have this really cool Daifi का eyeliner है मेरे पास. This is their 3D liquid eyeliner.
Oh.
Let me show you guys. It has a very velvety, smooth feel to it. This is the liner they have. It's a cool packaging that they have made for it. It's super cool. Let me show you guys. लगा के मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. So here we go. I'm just going to open this up and this is the one for it. And it's so cool.
It's quite pointed.
It's super pointy. That's what I like about it. That's a very pointy, you know, liner. So it will also help in your application, your eyeliner application. जिन लड़कियों को मसला होता है in eyeliners, especially in wing liners, this will help you have that confidence, you know.
And with this pointed tip, you can use it as thin as you want, or obviously you can go thicker.
Obviously,
but you can use it as thin as you want.
I think thin is the right way to do your liner.
You can always build up, but you start thin, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, वो एकदम
true. आपके ऊपर है, जिसको thin पसंद है thin लगाए, जिसको whoever likes, however. So I'm just doing a very minimal patli si line ka, like you guys can see. इतना ज़्यादा कोई नहीं है because we want to achieve that girly look. और girly look में like I said ज़्यादा blacks को use नहीं किया जाता है.
Yeah.
So the only time we've ever used a darker color is either for the liner or for the mascara. That's that. Otherwise everything else is super subtle and super chilled out.
So this eyeliner is by Dyfit 3D. आपकी स्क्रीन पे इसका QR कोड और प्रोडक्ट ID दिख रहा है. आपको बाईपास की ऐप डाउनलोड करनी है. इस QR कोड को स्कैन करके या फिर प्रोडक्ट ID के थ्रू आप इस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आपके प्राइसेस में वेरी फ्रॉम सिटी टू सिटी, बट अदरवाइज यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट्स. कितने accurate, pointy उसके results हैं. I love the color. It's quite rich black, and the whole look is coming out slowly, but it's really nice. So what's
Okay.
next?
ये lip gloss है इनकी. This is their strawberry lip gloss and it's so pretty. I'm already wearing it, by the way. The lipstick I'm wearing right now is the same as this, and I really want to apply it for her as well because it's one of my favorite colors. And it's really cool. So let's apply this. और मैं बहुत minimal सा use करके
Yeah.
I'm just going to blend it from my fingers. And I will also like blend in that liner into the lipstick that we're
Yes.
applying.
And I think we should tell this to our audience that whenever you're applying a lip liner, always apply your lip color over it so it blends well.
Yes, basically that's the right way to do it. कि आप अपने lip liner को भी cover करोगे उसमें, that is the only way you
It
can
will look
blend
nice.
out. Yes, और वो harsh line नहीं आएगी.
Yes.
I love this color. It's my absolute favorite. It's such a pretty
Ooh,
color.
it is
Yeah, it's
actually
stunning.
very pretty.
Yeah, it's a very stunning pink, pinky coralish shade with a hints of brown.
Yeah.
And that too very minimal. 'Cause the
So
whole idea of
this
this
product
look is
is by GTM, और इस प्रोडक्ट का भी आपकी स्क्रीन पे QR कोड दिख रहा है, इसका ID फ्लैश हो रहा है. What you have to do is बाईपास की ऐप को डाउनलोड करके आप QR कोड के थ्रू इसको स्कैन करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, या फिर इस प्रोडक्ट ID के थ्रू आप इस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च करें, ऑर्डर करें, घर बैठ के आपको ये प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएगा. Whatever is right grammatically, but प्रोडक्ट आपको मिल जाएगा. And prices may vary from city to city, but otherwise authenticity is guaranteed.
everything. 100%.
Yes. What is next?
We have this really cool She Glam gloss. It is so
Wow.
pretty, by the way. I have my eyes on it. so pretty. आप देख सकते हो इसके particles. So pretty. Their glitter particles are super. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to show you guys a look of it on the lips. But this is a very pretty gloss that we can use. Okay, let me just apply it on the lips. Wow.
Wow. We said wow
Yeah,
together.
literally, Jinx, you owe me a Coke now, you know. We literally said the same thing. I love it. इतना प्यारा कलर है और उसमें ना एक थोड़ा सा glittery shiny
Yeah, it's a
effect भी आ रही है.
sheer
It's so
glitter.
pretty. It is so pretty. I love the glitter.
Perfect
effect
for
to
the
it.
look.
100%. 100%. This is the look. Wow.
Wow.
You can see कितना perfect color आया है. I love this lip gloss. It's just so perfect.
Can I?
Yes, please.
Wow. I love the packaging. I love the color of the packaging as well, not just the
Yeah.
gloss. It's super chic. It's very cute. And this product is by GTM as well. आपको ये प्रोडक्ट खरीदने के लिए भी आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर इस वक्त एक QR कोड और एक ID फ्लैश कर रहा है. आप बाईपास की ऐप डाउनलोड करें और इस प्रोडक्ट को QR कोड के थ्रू स्कैन करके या फिर प्रोडक्ट ID के थ्रू सर्च करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. एग्जैक्टली सेम प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पे मिल जाएगा आपको. एंड मैं तो आज ही कर दूंगी.
So pretty, right?
Super pretty.
It's super cool.
I
Even the
think
lipstick
we-
is super nice.
So I think we have achieved her look, the look for today.
Looks
and
super pretty. I
yes,
love. I'm living for
I
this
think
look
we
right
should
now.
just now we just
Style up
have
her
to-
hair?
Yes.
Okay,
little.
let's style the whole look now. I think we'll get the Okay, yeah. She can wear it like that a little bit.
Or however she's comfortable with.
Yeah, we'll do a slight bit of styling for her. You know, there we go. And I'm going to also open up her hair a little bit to give it that feel. And there we go. Pretty hair, mashallah. Yes, let this out. Very pretty. When we open up the hair, thoda volume इनके बालों में वैसे ही काफी है. So yeah, I think this is a stunning look as it is. You guys can see इनका वो girly look जो हम achieve करना चाह रहे थे. It is there. Thank you.
And
here
we
we
are
go.
done with today's goal, and I think it looks really beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank
Gul.
you.
And we're going to come back again with new questions so that you give us new tricks, new hacks, new tips.
100%.
But till then, bye-bye, and we are coming back with a new episode.
See ya.